now I am going to start the second chapter of history. The chapter name is The Expansion of British Power. Already I had uploaded the first video of this chapter, first part. Now second video is for the British in Bengal. The British in Bengal, after death of Aurangzeb, the Mughal Empire became weak. Even as the Carnatic wars were going on, the English East India Company was keen on annexing Bengal. That means after death of Aurangzeb, Mughal Empire became weak. Even as the Carnatic was also going to the English East India Company, and English East India Company was taking interested in Bengal because of when they were trading in Bengal, they were enjoying the importing and exporting goods without paying taxes, and this right was granted by the Farrukhsiyar in 1717. The next is Battle of Plassey in 1757. The Battle of Plassey on 23rd June 1757. The forces of East India Company under Robert. This Battle of Plassey was granted by the Robert Clive made the army of Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Bengal, at Plassey. He was the Nawab of Bengal at Plassey. After defeated towards the British, causing the Nawab's army to collapse. After this defeat, that means after this defeat, Mir Jafar was declared the Nawab of Bengal, and the company rewarded him with the grant of the Jagirdari of 24 parganas, and a large sum was paid to the officers, including Clive. The British East India Company found itself transformed from being merely an association of traders to the level of ruler exercising power. The British was taking interest, and they were extended the company by the exercising political sovereignty over a largely unknown land and people. And the next is Battle of Buxar. The Battle of Buxar. This Battle of Buxar was British defeated Mir Qasim. A series of battle. In this battle, British defeated Mir Qasim, and Mir Qasim fled to Awadh. He formed an alliance with Sirajuddaulah, the Nawab of Awadh, and Shah Alam II, the Mughal Emperor. Thus, British East India Company on the one side, and after defeated Mir Qasim, when Mir Qasim fled to Awadh, the British East India Company combined armies of Mir Qasim, Shah Alam II on the other, and this battle fought at Buxar, a town located on the bank of the Ganges River.